Hello everyone. Let us begin with chapter 5, Combustion and Fossil Fuels. In class 7th we have studied about heat. Heat is a form of energy and it is very important in our life. We get heat from the sun. We produce heat by burning things. We produce heat by using electricity and so on. In this chapter we will be learning about heat produced by burning. Now, the process by which a substance burns to produce heat and light is called combustion, or the process of burning of a substance in presence of oxygen with the liberation of heat and light is called combustion. The substances which burn, you must have seen that some substances they catch fire easily, and some substances like stone, if you keep it in fire for a long time also it will not catch fire. So based on whether the substances catch fire or not, they can be classified into two categories: combustible substances and non-combustible substances. Combustible substances are those substances which catch fire and they burn in presence of oxygen. Like for example, wood, paper, LPG, kerosene, petrol, diesel, these all catch fire. Whereas non-combustible substances are like water, stone, cement. These substances do not burn. The substances do not catch fire or do not burn in presence of oxygen. We call them as non-combustible substances. Now, the next we will see about what are the conditions necessary for burning. The conditions necessary for combustion. As we have already defined in combustion as the process of burning in presence of oxygen, and only combustible substances catch fire. So the first and foremost condition which is necessary for burning is the presence of a combustible substance. So first is presence of combustible substance. Second is presence of a supporter of combustion. Here supporter of combustion is presence of air with oxygen, because oxygen is a gas in air which supports combustion. So presence of supporter of combustion. So here we are talking about oxygen, or we can also write air because oxygen is present in air. And third, now before writing the third condition, I would like to ask you a question. Suppose you take a piece of wood and try to burn it. Does it catch fire immediately? No. First it will heat up. It will reach a certain temperature and then it will start burning. So this is the ignition temperature, the temperature at which a substance catch fire, the minimum temperature at which the substance catch fires. This temperature is different for different substances. It is not the same. You must have observed petrol catches fire very quickly, LPG catches fire very quickly, whereas wood burns slowly. So attainment of ignition temperature. Reaching the ignition temperature. After reaching the ignition temperature only the substance will catch fire. So the three conditions necessary for combustion are presence of combustible substance, presence of supporter of combustion, and attainment of ignition temperature. So I hope you must have understood the concept of combustion, combustible and non-combustible substances, and the three conditions necessary for combustion. Thank you.